So if I then went to work as a paralegal, then they're not interested in taking me on as a solicitor. But I went in any kind of law firm. Once I've got sufficient experience and presumably built up a little portfolio of the type of work that I've done, complying with, as we always say in this podcast, GDPR and all that sort of stuff. But if I build up my little portfolio that shows I've got the relevant experience, I can then apply and say that I think I've got sufficient experience. And the law firm gatekeeper just falls away from that completely, don't they?
To a certain extent, it's the candidate will drive the application process, and they'll drive that qualification process themselves. They do have to have a portfolio of work to evidence that they've got that.
And no doubt the law SRA is going to be in touch with you or whoever
Exactly
the person
right.
is.
Yeah, exactly right. And whoever. The process actually doesn't require the law firm that they got that work experience at to sign anything off, provided there is some evidence there that they had that work.
So what this is in effect doing then is a lot of the formality that was there before has been pulled away and replaced by sort of candidate-centred approach in some respects, where you, without need to go on some long course, you can get qualified in terms of the academic element if you pass those two tests. You then can get the experience and apply independent of whoever you're working for, and then you can be a qualified solicitor and be entered onto the role of solicitor.